my name is Jeff Gardner and welcome to the Irie AT Product Review Center. Today we're going to take a look at the Clover 3 Video Magnifier. It's a nice little light magnifier, great for taking to the shops and reading price tags and those kinds of things. Let's take a look at the Clover 3. So this is the Clover 3 Video Magnifier. This is a little tiny guy that we'd recommend for looking at price tags, having with you at the restaurant to read menus, that sort of thing. It has a 3.5-inch screen, so it's going to be a matte screen, by the way. That's going to be, I don't know, enough to read menus and those kinds of things, but probably not for newspapers and that sort of deal. Let's take a look at it, though. We've got a slider on there. This will slide back and forth for our zoom. You press on it, and that'll change the contrast. It's on the top of the device. And then on the side, on the right side, you have the white power button. These are all tactile buttons, by the way. And then on the bottom, you have a red freeze frame button. In the back, you have the camera and lighting and the little fold-out stand there. I can use that to put the device down and do a certain amount of writing under it. Again, not the recommended use or for if you're doing a lot of writing, but nice little guy. It's only less than an inch thick, 3.5 ounces, easy to carry with you. Let's fire this up and see how it works. Alright, so if we want to read, just place it on top of the reading material and off you go. Freeze that, take a look. It gives you a nice clear image on there. You can use various contrasts. I guess you'd typically use the black on white there. I'll unfreeze that image. Real easy to use, not much to it. I've got a convenient slider here on top. Oops, so if you press it, it changes the contrast. And then if you slide it, it changes the magnification. So that way you just have the one button on top for doing most of the stuff. You've got the button on the side for turning it off and on, and then it's easy to take a snapshot if you have to reach for a price tag or something like that. Real easy to use device, handy dandy. Again, 3.5 ounces, less than an inch thick. I like how the screen is most of the device, so real easy to take with you wherever you go. Now this comes with USB, and it's a USB-C. So it's going to go in this way or that way, doesn't matter, you're going to get it right and you don't end up wrecking the port. So it comes with that nice charger, and you have a little carrying case that it comes with. You can just hold on the power button, it'll turn it off. Put that in the carrying case. I guess with the carrying case you're still probably under 4 ounces and off and running. Just about less than the size of my hand. That's the Clover 3 from SiteCare. Thanks for joining us today as we take a quick look at the Clover 3 from SiteCare. You have a great day.